Hello beautiful flowers, how are you doing today? So it's Monday the 30th of January, so January is almost over, but today I want to bake some cookies, some chocolate cookies, and I thought that I would film it. I just wanted to take you along with me in baking. This time I want to try to talk while I'm baking and giving you the recipe. I found this recipe when I was like 11 or 12 years old. So I have been making these same cookies for like over 10 years. I'm going to share the recipe with you and bring you along while I bake the cookies. They are my favorite ones that I have ever made. So I hope you will also like them if you decide to make them too. But let's get started. Also, it's such a beautiful day today. It's quite sunny. It was just raining and snowing, but now it's sunny again. So it's really nice to finally have a little bit of sun here. I'm just going to tie my hair because we don't want to get any hair in the cookies. And this is like, I wrote this when I was 12 years old. It's so old. It's full of grease. But yeah, I put it in this plastic so that it won't get bad and it will last longer. But yeah, just put all the ingredients on the table. I will show you. And yeah, then we can start baking. So the recipe doesn't need that many ingredients, but I have now put in everything on the table. So we have 1 egg, then we have some sugar, baking powder, vanilla sugar, butter, chocolate, dark syrup, and some flowers. And the chocolate one, I usually use dark chocolate because I think it tastes better, but this was now a lot cheaper, so it's just regular milk chocolate. But you can use any chocolate you like, but I would really recommend dark chocolate over milk chocolate. The first thing we are going to do, we need the butter and the sugar, and we are going to take 100 grams of butter, and with the butter we are going to mix it together with the sugar. And sugar we need just a little under 1 deciliter. We have these two together there. It's better if the butter is room temperature so that it's easier to mix them together, and I'm using this to mix them. So after we have mixed, it looks like this. It looks like there is nothing at all. Now we are going to add 1 egg. And then mix it to the butter and sugar mixture. So now the mixture is done. I usually mix them together with this for about 5 minutes or so until they are mixed really well together. Now that's done, and we are going to go and mix the dry ingredients together. So for the dry ingredients, we are going to need 3 deciliters of regular flour, so then I'm putting 1 teaspoon of baking powder, also 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Then mix it all together well. And then I'm going to pour some dark syrup. I don't measure this, I just go with the feeling, so you can decide how much you want to put it in. And the original recipe, it says to use brown sugar, but I have noticed that I like the dark syrup better on this. But if you want to, you can add a little under deciliter brown sugar instead of this syrup. The next thing I'm going to do is going to preheat the oven to 200 Celsius degrees. And as the oven is heating, we are going to cut the chocolate for the dough. Now I have got all the chocolate. So next thing we are going to do is put them together with the dry ingredients and mix them. And then we are going to put all the dry ingredients to here and mix them well together. I want to add a little bit more of the dark syrup. And this is what the dough looks like when it's ready. So to make the cookies, I use 2 teaspoons and just take about 2 teaspoons of the dough and try to make it like a little ball. And it's important that they are about the same size. So now I'm just going to put them in the oven, in the middle section of the oven, and they are going to be there about 10 minutes, maybe even a little bit under. They are allowed to be slightly like lighter color. So this is what the cookies will look like when they are ready. A slightly brownish color. So they are all done now. Well, the last couple of cookies are still in the oven, but they will be ready in 1 minute. So I thought that I will end this video here, as I don't have anything else to show you at the moment. I do want to make more videos, and also I'm really red because it's so hot right beside the oven, so I came to sit down for a while. But yeah, I do hope you like this video. I hope you want to try out baking those cookies, as they are really good. And thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you will be looking forward to what's coming up in the next few months, as I'm really excited to share new things with you. And I also want to, like I said before, I want to film more videos. I just have to figure out what kind of videos I want to film. I definitely do like to film cooking and baking videos, but I also like those routine videos, like morning routines, skincare routines. I like those type of videos, so I perhaps want to make those in the future too. You will see. And I thought that I should probably make like an introduction video to my channel, so that people who watch my videos will know that what they will see if they subscribe to my channel and what's the content. But I still need to figure it out myself, that what I want to film. But definitely, now that I'm feeling a lot more comfortable speaking on camera, even though I struggle a lot with pronunciation, but I think it's also good practice for me to speak English like this out loud. And yeah, the sun is already setting here, and it's only like 4 p.m. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!